Okay, now we already put one spoonful of sugar in there, right? So is it gonna be like super concentrated, or is it just a little bit? Can I put more in there?
Yeah.
Yes, that's an unsaturated solution. The unsaturated solution, mijo, please. An unsaturated solution means we have some in there, but I can still add more, right? I can still add more, and it's still gonna dissolve. All right? Now, a saturated solution means you put in as much as it's capable of dissolving. So let's say in this beaker, you're capable of dissolving just about 30 grams. When I put the 30 grams and it completely dissolves, you might have a few crystals left. You see how here you have a couple of crystals? That's a saturated solution. Okay? Now, a supersaturated solution means what's going to happen if I overpower this with too much sugar? What's going to happen to the sugar?
It's not going to dissolve.
It's not going to dissolve all of it, right? Ever been to a restaurant and you keep trying to put sugar in there to make it sweeter? What happens to the sugar? It goes where? At the bottom, right? That's a saturated solution. Well, it didn't completely dissolve. A saturated solution would be we do something to the water, like we make it hot. Can you see how all that sugar is going to the bottom? Okay. And we'll take a picture of it and put it on the overhead in a minute. Okay. Right, because you still have all the crystals from the sugar. So now you can do something to the water, like I can make it hot, and it'll actually dissolve more sugar than it's capable of dissolving. And then you can cool it again, and it'll still stay dissolved in there. That's a super saturated solution. That means I did something to the water. That way it's capable of dissolving more than it usually is. But you're still gonna have a few crystals in there. Haven't you ever been to like Chick-fil-A and you get the super sweet tea or the super sweet lemonade? And sometimes you get like a little chunk of sugar.
Oh yeah.
That's a super saturated solution. Or you can get super sweet tea at Bill Miller's.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Thank you.